15 vibrant indoor plants with red leaves to bring a pop of color. Ready to add a bold splash of color to your living space. Red-leaved house plants are the perfect way to do just that. These gorgeous botanical wonders don't just clean your air, they're like living art pieces. From deep burgundies to bright crimsons, red-leaved plants offer a range of textures and shapes to suit any style. They can transform a room into a lush, vibrant sanctuary. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting out, you're sure to find a leafy friend that speaks to you. 15 vibrant indoor plants with red leaves to bring a pop of color. Indoor plants with red leaves you'll love. 1. Red Aglaonema. The Red Aglaonema is a true stunner with its lush red and green foliage. It's perfect for those tricky, low-light corners in your home. This plant is a breeze to care for. Water it when the top inch of soil feels dry and give it an occasional mist. The Red Aglaonema brings a touch of tropical sophistication to any room. It's ideal for busy plant lovers who want high impact with low maintenance. 2. Caladium. Caladiums are showstoppers with their heart-shaped leaves in stunning shades of red. Their dramatic foliage patterns range from solid crimson to intricate, lace-like designs. These beauties thrive in bright, indirect light and like their soul consistently moist. They love humidity, so a bathroom or kitchen can be the perfect spot. 3. Coleus. Coleus is a true chameleon of the plant world with its vibrant red leaves and unique patterns. It adapts well to various light conditions, but really shines in bright, indirect light. To keep your Coleus lush, pinch off flower spikes and water when the top of the soil feels dry. It's like having a piece of living, growing abstract art. Coleus brings bold, artistic energy to your space. It's perfect for those who love to play with color and form in their home decor. 4. Red prayer plant Maranta. The red prayer plant is known for its captivating leaf movements. At night, its richly colored leaves fold upwards, resembling hands joined in prayer. This plant thrives in medium to low light and loves humidity. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, and mist regularly. The red prayer plant adds a touch of magic to your collection. It's perfect for meditation corners or bedside tables, bringing a sense of wonder to your daily routine. 5. Croton. Crotons are like nature's own paint palettes. Their leaves feature bold strokes of red, yellow, orange, and green. These colorful plants love bright, direct light. Water when the top inch of soil is dry and mist regularly to keep those leaves vibrant. Crotons are all about confidence and zest for life. They're perfect for those who aren't afraid to stand out and want to add a tropical vibe to their space. 6. Red Chinese Evergreen. The red Chinese evergreen offers deep, rich red hues that add a touch of luxury to any room. It's not just beautiful, it's also great at purify air. This plant is incredibly forgiving. It thrives in low to moderate light and can handle a bit of neglect, water when the top inch of soil is dry. The red Chinese evergreen brings an air of quiet confidence and elegance to your home. It's perfect for creating a serene atmosphere in bedrooms or reading nooks. 7. Rex Begonia. Rex begonias are like living works of art. Their leaves feature complex patterns and textures in various shades of red, silver, and green. These plants prefer bright, indirect light and high humidity. Water when the top of the soil feels dry, but avoid getting water on the leaves. 8. Red Edge Peperomia. Red Edge Peperomia is a compact plant with charming red-edged leaves. It's perfect for small spaces or as part of a larger plant display. This little beauty prefers bright, indirect light. Let the soil dry out between waterings to prevent overwatering. Red Edge Peperomia brings a playful, modern vibe to your decor. It's great for adding a pop of color to desks, shelves, or coffee tables. 9. Tea Plant Cordyline. The tea plant boasts long, sword-like leaves in striking shades of red. It's a bold, architectural plant that makes a statement. This tropical beauty likes bright, indirect light. Keep the soil moist but not soggy, and mist regularly to maintain humidity. Tea plants bring a touch of exotic luxury to your space. They're perfect for creating a focal point in living rooms or entryways. 10. Red Anthurium. Red anthuriums are known for their waxy, heart-shaped red leaves, which are actually modified flowers. They're a symbol of hospitality and long-lasting love. These plants thrive in bright, indirect light, water when the top of the soil feels dry, and provide good air circulation. Red anthuriums add a touch of romance and warmth to any room. 11. Polka dot plant Hypoeas philostachea. The polka dot plant features speckled leaves in charming pink or red hues. Its compact size makes it perfect for terrariums or small spaces. This plant likes bright, indirect light and consistently moist soil. Tinge back regularly to encourage bushiness. Polka dot plants bring a whimsical, playful energy to your plant collection. They're great for adding a pop of color to shelves or windowsills. 12. Alternanthera. Alternanthera is a low-growing plant with small, vibrant red leaves. It's often used in outdoor landscaping but can make a stunning indoor plant too. This plant prefers bright light and moderate watering. Trim regularly to maintain its compact shape. Alternanthera adds a bold, graphic element to your plant display. It's perfect for those who love modern, minimalist design with a colorful twist. 13. Red nerve plant Fittonia. The red nerve plant features delicate leaves with striking red veins against a green background. It's a small plant with big visual impact. This plant thrives in high humidity and indirect light. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Red nerve plants bring a sense of delicacy and intrigue to your space. 14. Red bromeliad. Red bromeliads are rosette-forming plants with red centers or stripes. They often produce dramatic flower spikes in vibrant colors. These plants prefer bright, indirect light. Water the central cup of the plant and ensure good drainage. Red bromeliads add a touch of the exotic to your home. They're great for creating a tropical oasis in any room. 15. Red-leafed philodendron. Red-leafed philodendrons are climbing or trailing plants with red-tinged leaves. They're versatile and can be grown in hanging baskets or trained to climb. These plants adapt well to various light conditions. Water when the top inch of soil is dry and provide support for climbing varieties. Red-leafed philodendrons bring a lush, jungle-like feel to your space. Your indoor red-leaved plant recap. There you have it. 15 amazing red-leaved plants to transform your space into a vibrant, natural haven. From the bold drama of crotons to the delicate charm of red nerve plants, there's a perfect red-leaved companion for every home and style. Remember, these plants aren't just pretty faces. They're air-purify powerhouses that can boost your mood and create a more relaxing environment. Plus, caring for them can be a rewarding and mindful practice in your daily routine. Mix and match different varieties to create your own unique indoor jungle. Start small with one or two that catch your eye, and watch as your confidence and plant collection grows.